Swimming today. Here comes Ruby. There goes Maya. We're swimming in the backyard. You can go swimming, Maya? You can go swimming? All this water. It's been days and days of rain. There's Zola in the grass. You can see her stealthily creeping along. Here she comes. There she is. Frogs out here are going to eat all these mosquitoes that are attacking me. There she goes swimming. There goes Maya, she's swimming. And it looks like we have nice gray clouds on the horizon, ready to dump more. And I cleared up all the trees earlier this year. There's still piles of logs we didn't quite get done. Luckily, we didn't put up our little shed, or that would be underwater. You swimming, Maya? Dry at the beginning of the year. There they go swimming, those pooches. They're swimming out to sea. Yep, I think they're definitely swimming now.